interrupted with the libSSL 11 DLL blocking your security or network software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we start the libSSL 11 manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This DLL file is an OpenSSL library providing the secure sockets layer, SSL, and transport layer security, TLS protocols. It allows applications to establish secure encrypted network connections for web and data. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error typically means a core application file is missing from your security or network software installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of your security or network software is the fastest way to restore the libSSL 11 DLL and get the program running again. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the libSSL 11 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Replacing the libSSL 11 without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping the libSSL 11 synchronized. If this diagnostic helped you resolve the libSSL 11 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.